Hey, Coach Greg here with Sculpt Training, and I have a arms and shoulders fat burning workout for you. This is gonna be fun, it's gonna be quick, no equipment needed. So grab some water, grab a friend, let's have some fun. Alrighty, first exercise, we're gonna start off with some side punches, 30 seconds on the clock, and here we go. Stand up nice and tall, we're just twisting from side to side, throwing a punch across our eyebrows, keep that elbow up, really twist, extend all the way. You should feel your triceps tightening, we bring it to the side. I like to pivot a little bit on my back foot and really reach, brace your core, get those arms moving. This is how we burn that fat. Couple more seconds here, really twist. Yep, there it is. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Next, moving along, we have some bent over flies, 30 seconds. And here we go. We are hinging from our hips, feet shoulder width apart. I'll go to the side so you can see. Arms extended out in front of me, reaching with my fingers and bringing those elbows back, just like this. It's almost like squeeze, as if you have like a walnut between your shoulder blades. But just do it from the bent over position like this. Boom. You're gonna feel it all up in your chest, back of your arms, your back as well. This is a great upper body sculpting exercise. There it is. Couple more seconds here. 3, 2, squeeze and down. Great job. Next, we have some front raises. So here we go. Bring those arms up to the side. The goal is, again, isometric squeeze. We want to extend as far forward as we can. We're trying to also activate our shoulders here. This is a great exercise if you have weights, resistance bands, things like that, but it also works perfectly with your body weight. Really squeeze the whole way. Let gravity do the work, right? You do this a bunch of times, your arm's gonna feel like lead, and that's the goal. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake out your arms. Last, we have unicorn taps. Let's hinge from our hips. You wanna be able to touch the back of your hands together. And here we go, extending out in front of us. Kind of like a unicorn horn, you know? But really extend forward. Your triceps are gonna be hating you during this exercise, but this one is so good for you. My back is flat, my core is tight. I mean, if you want, you could just stand straight up, but I like just a hinge. It gives me a little more stability. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, and down. And there is your first set done and dusted. We got 2 more sets to go. I'm gonna stop talking. Music's going up, and we're gonna have some fun, baby. Side punches, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Bent over flies, 3, 2, 1, go. Front raises, 3, 2, 1, go. Unicorn taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. Shake out your arms. One more set to go. Come on, let's finish strong. You got this, starting right now.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Bent over flies. 3, 2, 1, go. Front raises. 3, 2, 1, go. Unicorn taps. 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was your arms and shoulders fat burning workout. Hopefully you loved it as much as I did. I know I always say that, but I honestly enjoy these workouts. They feel so good. I feel refreshed afterward, maybe a little sweaty, but I know I'm toning, burning fat, and having a great time with y'all. So thank you for joining me for the ride. But if you like these type of exercises, go ahead and click notification bell to stay on top of any new workouts coming from Coach Mayor, Coach Gabby, and Coach Greg. That is me. I will see you in the next video, my friends. Stay strong. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.